Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another install video from Alipearl. Here they sent me their Hairline 24-inch wig, also known as their Widow's Peak. This unit came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-parted. The hair was also very full, very straight, and very shiny, which I love since I don't really have to do much. So let's just get right into the video. So in the inside, they do provided 2 combs on the side and a wig band, but I did end up cutting out the 2 combs because I didn't want it to feel uncomfortable. The knots on the wig were very small, they was not too big or anything, and the lace, oh my god you guys, the lace was so thin, like it just made it look more natural. So when brushing through the hair, I did not experience no type of tangles or any like hair coming out or anything. Like it was just a good full hair. After cutting out the ear tabs and pushing the hair back, I went in with my Kiss Colors adhesive spray. Great alternative if you're not interested in using any type of glue. I literally only use like 3 layers of it, and it's not too heavy, it's not too sticky, but it does dry fast, but it will still give you the ability to put on the wig and it's still having a tacky feel. So I really do love this spray, y'all. I do advise y'all to go get it. But yeah, so after doing the 3 layers of spray, I did go in and just cut out some tabs just so it could be easier for me to place down the lace on the adhesive. So I did end up putting, pushing it in with the comb and lightly pushing it just so it can, get the tacky feel of it so it won't lift up or anything. So now I'm just going in with my little razor and cutting off some of the lace. Like I said, I should have cut it out before then, but I didn't want to cut off too much, or but I just went ahead and cut off a little bit just to see. But like I said, I did end up going back in just to cut a little bit more, just to make it more, natural looking and realistic. So this is how it's looking when I cut off the lace. Do not be scared of the white, parts of the lace showing, because we're just going to go right back in and use our lace adhesive. We will basically melt away, the white lines and everything. Also, I didn't experience any type of, white whiteness from using too much of the spray, but I just wanted to be safe and use a little bit. So as you can see, I only did like 2 dabs of the spray on the hairline, and then I went in with my fan on cool and I just let it dry. So while I let it dry for a little bit, I went in with a wig band and I just left it on there for like 20 minutes. I've seen people also use like them little strips, you know, that you use to wrap your hair with. You can also use that, but this is all I had at the moment. But yeah, I just left it on for 20 minutes and yeah. And this is how it looked after 20 minutes. It definitely looked much better than before, but it definitely is going to requires some touch ups, which is fine. Which is my favorite part, is using my Ruby's Kisses. I think I used the shade 15, and y'all, like, as you can see, when I just put the makeup on, the lace, that white stuff that y'all seen, it's gone. Like, I feel like the lace definitely had a part with it. Like, as much as the lace is white, you do have more advantage of, you know, changing the color, but I think it also helped with the adhesive as well. So yeah, like, this is just my favorite part. Like, oh my god, but it definitely looked more realistic. Please do not mind the cut part, because I did make myself, but yeah, it definitely looked much better than before. So now I'm just going in with my hot comb and I will be leaving the hair straight. So yeah, this is the final look after I hot combed and flat ironed it. I'm so happy that even though I did use the flat iron at my highest degree, that it didn't take away the shininess or the fullness of the hair. Since I also have a widow's peak, it's definitely so crazy how they was able to frame it so well, where I can just put it on top of my widow's peak. But it definitely was very natural looking and I really do love it. It blended in so well. And yeah, if y'all have any questions, please leave a comment and all the details will be in my description below. And thank you, Alipearl, for sending this hair. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, love you.